I know. Doesn't that look good? Well, we got some rain coming over that horizon, but who cares, because this is the life. My olive oil's nice and hot. Now it's time for the piece de resistance, this beautiful salmon fillet. Look at that, it's just so gorgeous, it's so fresh, to the point that it's almost twitching. Check out these mushrooms. They're starting to reduce down a bit, and oh my goodness, that smell. I wish you had smell-o-vision, because if you did, your mouth would be watering right about now. If you in a restaurant, would be looking at like a $40, $50 dinner. But come here to Alaska, you get it for free. This is a meal that'd make Julia Child proud. So how does it taste? A little bullet.
Cooking outdoors is a pleasure if your portable grill cooperates. Now you can enjoy the simplicity and convenience of AdjustAGrill. AdjustAGrill is designed to assemble quick and easy. With variable height adjustments and convenient swing over the fire motion, AdjustAGrill protects you from smoke and flame and allows you to select the proper settings for perfect cooking. AdjustAGrill is made from sturdy tempered steel, and clean up as a snap. You're always ready for your next cookout. So whether it's at the beach, in the mountains, or in your own backyard, AdjustAGrill is the perfect outdoor cooking system. AdjustAGrill comes complete with its own tote bag and 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. Order your AdjustAGrill today. AdjustAGrill. Don't go camping without it.